Hello, Lebo.
Hi, Mr. Ta.
How are you?
Good in you.
Good, thank you. I was speaking to a customer this morning on equipment maintenance and the importance of that. But I wonder how often the customer does not think about the quality of lubricants he's using.
It's easy to overlook just looking at the cost, but poor lubrication and the quality of the lubricant can cost the mining millions of rands and also compromise on the safety.
When a lubricant fails, it's often not just considered as a breakdown. You have to consider factors of downtime, loss of access to the equipment, extra costs, and in some cases, depending on where the failure happens, it can even be risky for the operator.
So, what are the most important aspects would you advise a mining customer to start practicing right now?
Do not mix brands of lubricants. If you're using FUCHS, don't just top up with any other products. There's a lot of factors like compatibility, and even in some cases, efficiency on your equipment would go down. Secondly, I would go and revisit my maintenance schedule, see if it's aligned with the OEM. Then I would look at your operating conditions and the environment the equipment's working in, and then train your staff on handling, storage, and all those factors. First of all, that mitigates the risk of cross-contamination or using the wrong product in the wrong application. And finally, keep records of your oil usage, your consumption.
I agree. Mining is one of the harshest environments because of the dust, and also depending on what is being mined, it can directly affect the oil life and also the equipment. Routine oil sampling is very important to ensure the condition of your oil. And again, it helps you prevent possible failures by detecting early contaminants and where that is happening in your machine.
You are welcome to reach out to us at FUCHS for product recommendations via social media channels.